Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can tag people in your Instagram post. So here you can see I have already posted some posts and I now want to tag some people in it. So let's see how to do this. So for example, I want to tag someone, let's say in this post right here. So what I can do is simply click on these three dots present at the top of this post and click on this edit button. Then here you can see this option which says tag people. Then you need to click on this invite collaborators option. Now you need to search for the user you want to tag. Now once you have found them, you can see that they have been sent a collaboration request, and if they accept, then they will be automatically tagged in this particular post. Then simply click on this tick mark at the top, and then here you can also see that there is one collaborator right here and one person is tagged. Then again click the tick mark and wait for the process to happen, and once that is done, you are all set to go. Now here you can see that it has been successfully edited, and you can see that the person have been successfully tagged in this photo. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.